the COS, which stands for Clash of Stoppers, and this is our music video called Don't Steal.
Hey, I just saw someone steal Lego person. Mr. Jack, I just saw someone steal a Lego person. What's the kid's name? Toby, and he stole Amy's Lego person.
Okay, I'll go talk to him. Why did you steal a Lego?
It's because I have to give it to my baby brother.
How about you go to the store sometime and buy your own?
Okay, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. We will stop you. We will stop you.
Don't steal or the teachers will catch you.
No one will trust you, so don't steal.
You have a mask on your face. Big disgrace.
Taking toys all over the place.
We will stop you.
We will stop you.